Nike is set to drop the LeBron 20 Pink Diamond on August 1 for $210, marking a fresh take on a colorway that originally appeared in 2022. This updated version features a breathable mesh upper in all pink, replacing the leather used in the original, with metallic silver accents on the swoosh for added flair. The release gains extra buzz as it follows Bronny James wearing the pair during a recent Summer League game, reinforcing Nike's focus on the James family's legacy. LeBron James first debuted the pink diamond look during the 2022 Drew League, where he returned to the LA Pro-Am after over a decade. Teaming up with DeMar DeRozan, he put up an impressive 42 points and 16 rebounds in a narrow win. This upcoming release bridges performance, heritage, and family influence, securing its place as one of the most talked about LeBron 20 sneakers of the year.